Hey everybody, we're back, and this is Samantha doing the physiology, anatomy and physiology. And today we're doing the endocrine system. So this is just what I have to remember for my exam. My son says I should be better about these videos. Like maybe I should just draft them before we go live, but yeah. No, okay, but, okay, hold on a sec. All right, so the endocrine system is before your reproductive system. I want to say there's, I don't know, like 6 or 12. There's 12 cranial nerves, and I want to say 6 major systems and 12 major organs. No, I think that's wrong. Don't even. I gotta fact check that. Come on, discombobulated. But. Alright, this is our key for today, okay? So basically the endocrine system is made up of, I have an acronym for it, it's PAT, that pussy, and tap out. So it's P, PAT, PAT, pussy, and tap out. Okay, and that stands for, right here, I don't know if you can see that, of course you can't see it, it's very silvery as fuck, but hold on. Ignore the plug-in electric box, I'll show you. Okay, so you see, you have more. Like you have the thyroid and the parathyroid gland. Then you have the pituitary, and then you have the pineal. I just said pineal gland. All right, and let's see, the exocrine refers to glands that are not part of the endocrine system. So exocrine is on the outside, endocrine is on the inside. Which isn't really necessarily inside or outside. It's just like internal and external. Well, that's inside and outside, but basically pancreas does 2 things. I gotta know this out for y'all though. What do you think? Where's the most ideal place I can pancreas this up? I think it's right here, but I don't think I can see that one too well. Alright, so here we have your pancreas, okay? P-A-N-C-R-E-A-S. And that is green, so. I was supposed to be bringing the Wi-Fi box in, and this ended up happening. So shortly, I'm sure we will have a guest on here wondering where I am with this Wi-Fi box. I would imagine. All right, so pancreas. You see. All right, and pancreas is going to go, it can go to the endocrine and the exocrine, and that does these things. So yeah, pancreas. And by the way, the endocrine system is your hormones. So your growth hormone, sex hormone, sometimes we have hormones that do things just so that other hormones can be activated. They don't do anything at all but activate other hormones that will then regulate your body in different ways, whether it goes to the pancreas and then the liver and the lungs, into your adrenal glands, which will send signals, and it's basically to keep your blood sugar and your blood, your blood glucose, your calcium, your blood sugar, and your water levels all situated. So when one drops, your hormones will kick in, tell your pancreas what it needs to do, tell the kidneys what it needs. Well, the kidneys will actually tell. Your kidneys will tell your lungs. Kidneys tell your liver to tell your lungs. who tell the pancreas, who tell the adrenal glands. I don't think that's right. I think I'm thinking of two different ways that they work. They're both, all of that is the endocrine system, but I don't feel like it's that order. Not necessarily. It depends on what I'm talking about. And right now I'm talking about two things put together. Anyways. Okay, so can you see me better? Fuck it. No, you can't, but well. Alright, so, okay. Endocrine, pancreas. And that is going to go to your insulin. Boom, then you got your pancreas. Let's go see exocrine. Pancreas. Okay. This is your digestive. So, all right, pancreatic enzymes that is also your digestive. All right, pancreatic enzymes in your glucagon. That would be your endocrine, insulin, glucagon. Which glucagon or glucagon, whatever the fuck, is very important. That's got to do with your fat, your amino acids, and your lipid cells, and that's your fat. All right. So travels through the blood because then it becomes a hormone. Oh, endocrine. That's A. Okay. I wrote this one down, so I'll picture that one. I'm going to draw for it anyway. Alright, so what we got? I know I did this backwards, but it still works. Okay. Alright, let me see if I got this right. Okay. Alright, so alright, so the endocrine travels through the blood, and that's where it becomes a hormone. Alright, so this is your axon right here. That's your axon, this body right here. Yeah. What was I doing? You can remember what I put over there, here one. right there. That's your nerve cell. See that little weird looking alien versus predator thing right in there? Alright, then I'll give you another one. I'll give you this like 3 times and you're like, probably hit it on here. Anyways, okay, so that's what this is, right? Which this is your axon. These are your neurotransmitters. And this is all inside your body, by the way. You don't know that yet. Alright, nervous system. And this is all inside your body, by the way. Two dubs. You don't know that yet. Alright, nervous system. Oh, I heard the door at the house. I hope he's not there. No, I'm not in there right now. I'm not here. So, but where are you going? Hold on. Glands. Alright. That's your adrenal. Here, how does this work? And this is your epinephrine. Epinephrine is that shit. It's great for the body. I'm just kidding. It does good stuff. Oh, I haven't started right. E. Oh, still wrong. EPINEPI. Epinephrine. That would be these spots. Epinephrine. Okay. So basically, you got your adrenal gland here. Adrenal gland. And your adrenal gland is going to produces epinephrine. So your adrenal glands, which are actually above your kidneys. I have a full scale body in here. I do this like a big skeleton on top of it. Whatever. Look, this is your body. Let me see if I can just do a quick sketch somewhere. You got room. Let's look at over here. There's a wide ass shoulders right there. Alright, so we know that this vein, there's a vein that goes on here, this is your aorta, this is your vena cava. I want to say vena cava, aorta is heart, so it's your red, this is going to be red, usually. And the blue one is your vena cava, both are very vital to living. So we're at right here. Alright, then you have your larynx. Your larynx is right with your thyroid, and that is right here. Think about your trachea and shit. So you got your larynx, big. And we got your fucking thyroid. Oh, it's like meaty weird shit. Looks like a brain. Okay. And then point out your lungs are here, boom. I'm sure you guys know this. Alright, behind your lungs is gonna be, or is underneath a little bit, it's your kidneys. So you have, well, I should probably do that in a different color to differentiate the two, right? Alright. Let's just say these blue things are your kidneys. It should not be blue, it should be like a pink maroon, but it'll work today. Okay, that's your kidneys, these are your lungs, right here. Boop, boop. Blah, blah, blah. Do we know what is above the kidneys? No, they're just behind it, but they're still right on top of it. Alright, I don't know if y'all know. That is where your adrenal glands are going to be found. Alright, little triangle looking things is all you can see on like a human plastic, take apart diagram. You're just going to see the little tops of little fluffy things sticking out, and those, That is your adrenal glands. Okay. Underneath all that, you got your stomach, your spleen. Well, let me see. Your spleen's gonna be way over here. Boom. That's attached to your pancreas. Pancreas goes way like this. Boop, boop, boop. Branches off. This is a very fat pancreas, but okay. And then you got your stomach in front of that. Different color. Your stomach is over here. And you know that crazy? You should think your stomach is here, but it's not. Your stomach is way over here underneath your ribs. Isn't that crazy? Tummy. I'm gonna put tummy on it. We know what's wrong with that. Pancreas. Pancreas. What color am I not doing it? We did blue. Boom. This is your spleen. Yeah. Then you have your liver is over here. Alright, and then you even have a little gallbladder in that motherfucker. Right there. Liver, gallbladder. Okay. And then you have this motherfucker right here. That's your small intestine. Then you're gonna turn into your large intestine. And then your sigmoid colon is right here. And your appendix. Actually, sigmoid colon is over here, I think. Your appendix is right here. That's your appendix. Well, I don't like that I'm writing this wrong. I was like, oh, just switch them around, but that's inaccurate. I don't like that, but okay. Small intestine. Large intestine. Okay. And then, you got your gluteus, that's your butt. And then you got your testes. How's that good? Yeah. Okay. How's that good? Yeah. Like elephant, right? Anyway, or ovaries for other cases, you'll have a woman. And then it'll be like, and your fallopian tubes, and your ovaries, and your uterus, and your vagina. But now you got both. Hermaphrodite. Alright. Anyways, so the point I'm making is this. Alright, so your adrenal glands are going to produce epinephrine. Alright, your epinephrine is going to then go into your blood vessel, which once it travels through the bloodstream, it becomes a hormone. And then that is going to turn, what do we know? So this is your nervous system here. Neurotransmitters, epinephrine's right here, and your organs and your tissues, that's where all this shit comes out. Because we all know that tissues form together equal cells. Cells form, I feel like it's cells equal tissue. It might be tissues equal cells. Form together equal organs. Is that right? The atoms. Atoms together equal cell. Cells together equal tissue. Tissues together equal organs. Anyways, so epinephrine basically is something where if two things aren't going to touch each other but need to, send hormones to each other without intersecting into their actual, being, like instead of entering into the void, it just gets real close to the void. That's where your epinephrine comes in, and it acts, or your neurotransmitters come in. Neurotransmitters is what pretty much creates that magnetic field. Your epinephrine is what's going to deliver it. You might as well call it in connective tissue, that how they have messenger things. That essentially might be just that. I'm getting off topic though. But it has to travel through the blood to become a hormone, and basically it'll go through the adrenal glands. Our adrenal glands produce epinephrine, turns into hormones. Then it goes to the blood vessel. Boom. Blood vessels then go to the cells and shit. And then I gotta put page 0 right now. The exocrine refers to glands that are not part of the endocrine system, and then you got the endocrine pancreas, which is insulin, endocrine pancreas, digestive, which is enzymes. So you got pancreatic enzymes and you got insulin. Insulin is what the body produces when there's not enough salt, because there's too much salt. I want to say this, I'm crazy. Let me see where those are today. Let me put this thing up. Okay, so the endocrine system works also with the nervous system, right? And you have to know that some of these hormones act faster than others. Now, if it's with the nervous system, it's going to act very quickly because it goes straight to the organ. And it is chemical, electrical, neurotransmitters, always short, always fast, internal, external, always. Now, the endocrine system is signaling mechanisms, signaling mechanisms, chemical. He said primary chemical signals, hormones, distant travel, long or short response time, fast or slow, environment, target, internal, and specificity, not always. All right, and that basically just means that with endocrine system, it has two ways to go about things. If it's going to go, something's going to happen and it strikes the nerve, you're going to feel it right away because your nerve, it has two ways to go about things. If it's going to go, something's going to happen and it strikes the nerve, you're going to feel it right away because your nerve is direct line to your organs. So whatever organ that's touching that gets hurt, you're going to feel it right away in the nerves. All right, but other than that, you have, your motor skills and things like that, which your signaling mechanism, that's basically the chemicals have to travel through your bloodstream for the hormones to be, made. And so if you get hurt in your foot or something like that, and it's not, going through the nervous system, then it's going to have to travel from wherever up here in your nerves that got hit, or that it's supposed to initially feel, and then travel all the way down to your foot through the bloodstream until you actually feel the pain in a spot that it got fucked up at. That's why their response time may not always be fast, because they might have more to travel through and filter through. So, environmental target is internal. Yeah, that means it's on the. That means they fight. What is it? It's right here. Boom, boom, boom. I love it when I write notes like this. It's like, oh, look what I know what I'm doing around here. I mean, it don't sound like it, but somewhere in madness, it's there. I'm fucking tired. All right. Thyroid stimulates hormones. Hormones and receptors. So the hormones are the keys. The receptors are the locks. So the hypothalamus. Okay, where do we even start drawing this out? Where's the beginning of this? I need to know. Intracellular hormones, lipid soluble, cell membrane receptor hormone, water soluble hormone. Oh my God. So basically, what that means is amino acids is fat, and fat is oil, and oil doesn't jive with water. And then you got water soluble nerves. Water soluble hormones. Intracellular hormones is lipid soluble, which means it dissolves in oil and fat. Cell membrane receptor is water soluble, which means it'll melt in the water. I mean, I'm just kidding, but about that. But so you have the endocrine gland, right, which is right there by the thyroid gland. The adrenal gland fucks with it. The thyroid hormones fuck with it. Everything fucks with the endocrine gland. So basically, endocrine gland forms these hormones. They go through this blood vessel, this bloodstream, and then hormones like lipid base, like fat, amino acid base amino acid base cannot pass through a cell membrane. Okay, but a lipid base can pass through the cell membrane because it is fat. So lipid is fat, and we know amino acid is water. I guess I said that wrong at the beginning of the video, but now I corrected myself there. So intercellular hormone. And basically what that looks like is this. Okay, so we got a cell. Where can I draw? Shit. Okay. Right here. All right, we got some cells. Okay. That's a cell. Fuck it. That's a cell. That can be a cell. They can all be cells today. You got 3 of them. All right. Now these cells like to carry these little baskets on top of their head. Some people know they got shit going on and not fuck with them, or maybe they want them to fuck with them because they got shit going on. So they're on the outside like this. That's extracellular. And then when you got them in the inside, like, oh, you can't see what I got going on in here. Privacy only. All right. That right there. All right. This is your targeted cell. Boom. Boom. So, you gotta have nucleus in it, motherfucker. Because all your DNA's in it, you know what I'm saying? You got there. I got so much. And then, put my nucleus 4 at a time. Alright. cellular membrane receptors. So this right here, these are your cellular membrane receptors. Oh, it's the intercellular. Look like what I'm writing. Okay. And this right here is the cell membrane. This wall right here. Cell membrane. Cell membrane. That cellular receptor. Oh my god, I'm so fucking tired. It is so hard to go to work, make the money, go home, cook the food, deal with the kid, do soccer practice, and then do schoolwork, and be a full-time student. And oh, here I'm working getting media money. Oh my god, work. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. I'm so fucking tired. And I can't do it all. You know what? 24 hours in a day, my word. I need 36. Alright, so class. What I'm trying to explain to you now is that these amino acids can travel through these. Okay, so if in a situation and you have lipid acids, those are lipid cells, those are fat soluble. They're not going to be as easy to inside. Now, your son, on the other hand, I'm sorry, half asleep right now. But the children, fuck, I don't even remember why that was part of the scientific story I'm doing. I just completely spaced on that one. Alright. The organ is the tissue, cell membrane, the phospholipids, the fat base, the intercellular receptors. Target cell cannot pass. Right. Alright, so what cannot pass? Amino acids cannot pass. Lipid base may pass, but barely can pass the cell membrane because it is fat. Okay. And then, it's from the endocrine gland, we have the thyroid gland, which then lets out thyroid hormones. It also lets out calcanium, which then functions, it was decreased in the blood. So they do that when they see decrease in the blood. Calcium, parathyroid, PTH, calcium, parathyroid, cat, right? Humoral stimuli, calcium in the blood. She still does that. What the hell? Alright, I'm losing it. I'm half asleep, very tired. And that's all the studying I can get done today because I am mixing up my dreams with a regular day girl. So I think I'm gonna put the Wi-Fi box in now. And quit fucking out with all this shit. This fucking call it a day right now. Till next time. See you later. Yes, end it.